Hello and welcome to another edition of Beer Dad's Beer Reviews. We are going to look at another beer from Azvex from Liverpool, one of my hometown brewers. I'm going to look at this one, and this is Helicopter Chainsaw. It is a double IPA coming in at 8.3% ABV. I know a little bit close there, but hey. So look at this can off. That's Godzilla with a chainsaw. Jeepers. Would like to be Mothra or who else said Mothra and whatever. Anyway, fighting Godzilla. King Kong. There you go. That's one. Fighting Godzilla with a chainsaw. Jesus. Yeah, so it's, as I say, double IPA coming at 8.3%. It's hopped with Nelson, Citra, and Amarillo. Canned on the 10th of the 7th, 24, especially for the 10th of April 25. That's card number 233, according to the back of there. For full disclosure, I have actually had this beer before. It was delicious, absolutely delicious. What I've just noticed on this beer actually is that that's not just Godzilla with a chainsaw. That's a helicopter with a chainsaw nose, and Godzilla's going to live it. Anyway, we digress. Let's pop a top on this, see what we've got. Again, use my Azvex Teku. I do think this is probably the best way to drink beer. Out of a Teku glass if you can. Certainly if you're drinking it at home. If you're drinking it in a bar and they have the Teku, ask them for it. They say no, take your business elsewhere. Beer in glass, what have we got? Look at that, it's beautiful, isn't it? Absolutely beautiful. We've got a 2-finger, densely compact white head. It's actually quite rugged across the top, if you can get that. In the beer itself, that is lovely. And opaque orange, yeah, that's fab. Absolutely fabulous. Let's get the nose so we can smell. Oh, that's beautiful. Loads of citrus fruit, loads of tropical fruit. That smells like a kick-ass double IPA. And it's Azvex. It's gonna be, I think it's gonna be anyway. It's a budding combination. Cheers. Oh, wow. Wow, that is good. That is really, really good. That is beautiful. Oh. So, body is light, bordering on medium. It's the thick end of light, thin end of medium. Carbonation is dead soft. It's there. Again, it's light and soft. That's delicious. Let's top this up. Go again. Helicopter chainsaw. Wow. I was glad you get these come with these names. It's got a big taste. Cheers. Oh, wow. Wow. That is delicious. Fruity, juicy. It's got tropical stuff. Hello? 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 Beautiful. It's juicy. It's fruity. It's tropical fruit. Loads of citrus in there. Loads of zestiness. Don't pick up absolutely no Nelson in this at all. Absolutely not. It's just beautiful. That's brilliant. Fruity, I say, fruity, juicy, zesty, pithy, all the flavours that you want from a double IPA. It's got a lovely dry, that's maybe what the Nelson is, dry, almost vinous finish. That's fantastic. So let's wrap this review up. This is Azvex Helicopter Chainsaw Double IPA, 8.3%. Do I like it? Yes. Would I buy it again? Yes. Would I recommend to friends? Excuse me, absolutely I would. Delicious. If you've had this, let me know what you think. Put a little comment in. Do that with the video. Do that if you don't. Subscribe down there. And I will see you on the next one. Stay safe. Hello.